Hey guys, this is Suha from Array, and today I will be sharing with you my 5 tricks and tips that I have learned along the way and which will help you speed up your work in Illustrator. So if you are a newbie or even if you are someone who's been working for some time now, you will definitely find something useful in this video. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's get on with today's video. So the first trick that I want to share with you guys is how to scale an object without losing its proportion. So a lot of you beginners out there, you guys usually scale like this. And as you can see, I have lost the proportion of right now it's not a perfect circle. So that is not a professional way to work in Illustrator. So I'm going to show you how you can scale an object without losing its shape. So all you have to do is hold down the shift key as you are scaling. This will keep the object proportional and you won't lose its shape while you are scaling it. The second trick I want to share with you is also for beginners. It's some of you might not know this, to how to draw a straight line. So right now I have my smarts guide on that's telling me that I'm drawing a straight line or not. When you don't have that, you really struggle to draw a straight line, and that's not a straight line. See, so how you can do that is again hold down the shift key, and that will allow you to draw a perfect straight line every time, no matter which way you're going, vertically or even horizontally. It will allow you to draw a straight line every time. The third trick that I want to share with you guys is how you can scale in center. If you don't know what that means, let me show you. Suppose I want to scale this circle within this square box, and as I said, holding down the shift key constrains its shape. So let's hold down the shift key and see what happens. So as you can see, I did scaled it and I didn't lose any shape, but right now the circle has moved and right now it's not in the center of the box, and that is not what we want. We want it to be scaled but also remain in the center of the box. And how we can do that is hold down the shift and alt key together and drag, and as you can see, no matter how much we drag, how much bigger we make it, it's not going to lose its center. It's gonna scale right in the center. That is another great trick that I wanted to share with you. Here comes my fourth trick, I think, which is a great trick a lot of you guys do not know, is how you can calculate within Illustrator. So let's say I want to draw a rectangle that is 3 by 3 inches. But right now my preset is on centimeter and I don't want to go to my settings and change my preset because I'm going to be needing the centimeter in a moment again. So what I can do is make Illustrator do all the math. So what you can do is, let's say I want 3 inches and I'll write 3 inch and then hit tab, and that's going to calculate my inch to centimeter. Again, I can write, let's say 2 inch, and then I'll hit tab, the tab button on your keyboard, and automatically Illustrator converts that value into centimeter, so which is great. Now if we hit OK, we have a 3 by 2 inches rectangle. So I didn't have to go change all the settings, all the presets. What I had to do is just click on tab and Illustrator did the calculation itself. So the next thing I want to share with you is again very interesting. This trick has helped me create different types of shapes within just seconds. It's good for logo designing, it's good for making flowers, or basically anything you can think of. So what I will do, I will duplicate this object. I will also rotate this. So first thing I want to do is select a center point, and I want this object to be rotated around that center point. Now I will hit the alt key and I will start dragging, and alt key will make a copy of this, and as we leave, as you can see, it has created a copy of that petal. Now I want to duplicate all that command in just one command. So what I can do, I can click Ctrl D, and I can do this several times as long as I want. So as you can see, it has created very interesting shapes, and it's actually created a nice flower. So that is another great trick that you can use to create different types of shades of flowers or designs, anything that you can think of. So I hope this video was helpful. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to see more of my videos, then subscribe to my channel. I also make videos on fashion design rendering techniques. I'll have the links in the description bar if you are interested, and I'll see you next time. Bye.